Look! Twins! Twins!
Haven't you ever seen little...
The twins!
You idiots! Harley thinks it's a pool, then it's a pool. Embarrassing her. She can't help it. She's an ignorant.
I love Oron! I love Oron! I love Oron! I love Oron!
Never mind.
Oh my Kami. Oh my Kami. If it wasn't for someone I know telling me Oron was on Funimation, I would have died.
Not making a cover up like that. It was surprising. I know what he's up to.
Animation channel! Oron High School! Woo!
Really? Must be one of those jealous pervert types. That's pretty twisted. That's not it at all. I was just trying to protect her innocence as any father or guardian would. After all, even if she is wearing a swimsuit, it is not decent for a lady to walk around half naked in front of boys.
Dad! You want to go swimming in the current pool with me? Nah, I'm not going to swim today. Hold on. You know how to swim. You still need that float. Just looks cuter this way, you know? You're right. Those bunnies are pretty cute. She's so innocent. No way! You got it all wrong! Is that Renday?
Puppy! Rebel's like, no.
How does she do that? It's like the rig follows us.
That outfit's pretty impressive. What's with the tattoo on your stomach?
Oh, that? You don't recognize it? I'm cosplaying.
Yeah, too.
Oh.
Like the manga magazine?
Yeah, but she could explain the things.
Look at those little faces. Her singing voice.
I can't sing.
I wouldn't guess. I had no idea who you were supposed to be.
Puppy, eat the camera! Eat the camera! Eat the camera!
Well, yeah, that's okay. And why is that? Because it's cosplay? I guess.
Listen up, boys. Obviously, you need help understanding Hanazoka's motives. Look!
Oh, he's so cute!
Talking about?
Eat! How do you say pie? Must eat! How do you say pie?
Cuter this way, you know? She's not being as sweet and innocent as you think.
I agree. Try putting the word I at the beginning of that sentence.
I'm cuter this way, you know? I look cute. I'm Hanazuka for you. In the last episode, he felt threatened by another lone boy type, so he's taken steps to keep his friends. I should give him more credit. Much smarter than I thought. Hey, look at this, everybody! Check it out! Even though we're going really fast, we never go any further than we are now!
So what's up with him?
Could he really be that smart?
Let's have one good fight. It'll be me and Callie against you. If you get it in the face, you lose. What do you say? Forget it. Why would I want to protect myself from a childish game like
Nose!
I think it's time that we got married.
Move on to me.
I ever let Harley marry you guys?
Sweatra! Sorry.
You want something to drink?
Yeah, something.
Why? Why do you want to pester me so? Why do you want to pester me so? Uh-oh. When there's red eyes, it's a bad thing. Uh-oh. Honey Senpai, no! Maury, senses danger. My honey senses are tingling.
Honey Senpai!
And poor honey gets wiped away. Ah! Not cool.
Morty Senpai?
Gentlemen, we're going
after Honey Senpai.
That pool looks like the quickest way.
Wait, I want to go. Okay, so it cancels that pool. We inside this one. What do you want, Lola?
What's with all the alligators?
She's a little camera hog. She wants to be on my camera all the time. Wants to be on the camera all the time. Yes, she does. She wants to be on the camera all the time. Yes, she does.
Have a little chat with our designers. Thanks a lot, you guys. I got some great data today. This is a map of the tropical aqua garden. This location.
No, we don't
I'm
bite.
feeling that's where Honey Senpai probably ended up. It might be tough because to get there we'll have to make it through this jungle area here in the southern block. Distance-wise, we're talking about 800 meters.
Looks like there are a lot of undeveloped areas. Any idea what might be lurking in those parts of the jungle?
Camera.
Since they're still being developed, I'm afraid I don't know.
Whatever's out there,
Lick the camera! Lick the camera! Lick the camera!
now this is a mission of survival.
Oh, look at the camera.
It is our
Look at the camera.
Honey Senpai.
Look at the camera! Look at the camera! Alright, high school. Let's be right back. Camera. Camera delicious. Look at she's eating it.
What are you, freaking crazy? Just shut up! Why do you hate me so much?
This is Rebel.
Individuals are getting crushed by high predaceous traits.
People just can't keep up.
He says hi to the camera.
Families find it almost impossible to